my name is Saloni and this is my second video about spoken English. And if you haven't checked my first video about spoken English, you should check it. And because this video is about the same tense and one other tense, so I will continue with the same tense first. So in last video we have seen, or I have been told you the format of the simple present tense, and I am going to repeat it, which is the format is like first subject, then it is verb, and then it is object. Now subject can be a name or a noun. So I have been told you subject can be names or it can be nouns. So now I will give you some examples of simple present tense, and I will give you the translation in Hindi. So some of the examples of simple present tense are: I regularly teach my students. I regularly teach my students. My students regularly do their homework. My students regularly do their homework. I regularly teach my students. It means मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को रोज पढ़ाती हूँ. My students regularly do their homework. It means मेरे विद्यार्थी रोज अपना दिया गया हुआ स्वाध्याय, घर से करने वाला स्वाध्याय रोज करते हैं. मेरे विद्यार्थी रोज स्वाध्याय करते हैं. So these are the two examples of simple present tense, and now I am going to give you some more examples of simple present tense that are if it rains, I get wet. If it rains, I get wet. It means अगर बारिश होती है तो मैं गीली होती हूँ. अगर बारिश होती है तो मैं गीली होती हूँ. So I think we can understand the sentence I get wet, because I have been told in my previous video that the format is subject plus verb plus object. So it is I get wet, and where I is the pronoun, okay. And so we can understand the sentence I get wet. But when it comes to the sentence if it rains, how this sentence has come, that I am going to explain you, okay. So when I am talking about he or she, and we want to make a sentence of simple present using these pronouns like he, she or it, we will add the at the end s for giving the sentence simple present tense, simple present tense form. Like if I am telling you that she dances, so it is the sentence of simple present tense where she is the pronoun and dances is the verb, and at the end of dance we have added s. Why? Because it is a sentence of simple present tense. She dances, that means वो लड़की डांस करती है, वो लड़की डांस करती है. So now some more examples of simple present tense that are she dances, he teaches, and she dances if the music plays, okay. And he teaches every day, and his students does mathematics homework. So now start thinking what I have done here by adding is, okay. सो व्हेन वी यूज इज इन इंग्लिश, उसका मतलब होता है कुछ होना, उसका मतलब